Okay, for number 2, there's a few different ways we can think about this. So 8 boxes of fudge weigh 2/5 of a pound altogether. How much do 5 boxes of fudge weigh altogether? So we're starting off with 8 boxes of fudge, and we know how much that weighs altogether. So let's use this bar here to represent 8 boxes. So I've divided the bar into 8 so that we can easily find out, or we can easily look at, what we need to calculate. So if we know the total weight of 8 boxes, wouldn't it be nice to know how much just one box weighs? Just one of these. So if we know that 8 boxes weigh 2/5 of a pound, oops, how much does one box weigh? Well, we're going to have to divide both sides by 8 to find that out. But now we're stuck dividing a fraction by 8. What's another way that we can express that? I'm just going to copy one box here. Dividing by a number is the same as multiplying by its reciprocal. So instead of saying 2/5 divided by 8, I'm going to write 2/5 times 1/8. If you want to think about that, dividing by 8 is the same thing as just choosing 1/8 of the whole thing. So one box is equal to, so I can rewrite this as 2 times 1/5 times 8. And because 2 and 8 have a common factor, I can simplify. So I'm going to divide the top by 2, and I'll get rid of this 2, and I'm going to divide the bottom by 2, and the 8 will turn into a 4. And now all I see is 1 on the top and 5 times 4 on the bottom. So 1/20 of a pound is how much one box weighs. The question is, how much do 5 boxes of fudge weigh? Now I know how much one box weighs. I can multiply. So 1/20 of a pound is the weight of one box, and I have 5 boxes. Which comes to 5/20. And I can simplify this. Because 20 is divisible by 5, I'll divide the numerator by 5. Oops, I will get 1 when I divide the numerator by 5, and when I divide 20 by 5, I will get 4. So the answer is 1/4 of a pound. And another way we could have thought of this, instead of finding out, first of all, how much one box weighed, we could have said, okay, so we know that 8 boxes weigh 2/5 of a pound. So 2/5 of a pound is the weight of 8 boxes. And here I've got 8 units representing those 8 boxes. What if I only want to know the weight of 5 of these units? So up to there. Only 5 of these units. So 5 of these units are represented by 5/8 of this entire bar. So essentially, I'm just looking for 5/8 of the weight that I was originally given. So let's see, 2 times 5/5 times 8. Ooh. I have common factors between the numerator and denominator, so I can get rid of these 5s. I am left with 2/8, which can be simplified to 1/4 of a pound, and that's the same thing that we got before. So you can see that you can get the answer in a number of ways. And that's it.